Hey guys, we're gonna move the chicken coop now. It's getting a little warmer out. I got a chain hooked up to the log trailer here. This birch is my stabilizer. This one wasn't quite doing it. I got it in the ditch, so the back of the trailer's on the ground too, just for make it more stable.
What are you doing? Just laying?
Yeah, just keep it on block so I don't gotta jack it up when I get it there.
Ground is really soft right now.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Pretty fancy. They're gonna have a little deck over the water.
What is that?
Oh, it looks like they have a little deck over the water.
Oh yeah, she's also. See how it looks.
Next part of your plan.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get this big block down this end a little further so it's more level. I have to pull him beside it here and get more of a lift on it.
You had that all figured out to do that, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
Ooh,
That
right.
was a good one.
That was a good one, yeah. You all right? Alright guys, we did a little bit of modifying there. We basically took the little outdoor pen and put it exactly the same way as we had it. Since we're moving it, I figured today is a good day to give it a good deep clean. So inside there, we cleaned everything out, new fresh bedding on the floors, cleaned all the perches and everything, cleaned out the water, their feed bowls, wiped down the walls. And so we just have some old ATV tires inside the pen for them that we fill with dirt and ash and dust and like anything they like to roll and kick around in. Changed up the step there for them. I just happened to find this big chunk of wood. It rested there pretty good. Makes a really good step for them to get in. Yeah, pretty happy with the move there. It went pretty easy. Like I said, the setup is identical to what it was before. We're just starting to move it away from the house where the weather is hopefully turning to spring around here. So that's what our project for today was, guys, and we did get it completed. So I want to thank you for stopping by MacCustoms. Don't forget to subscribe or leave us a comment and like this video to help our channel grow. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.